Hi everyone, welcome to the next video of Python tutorial series. In this video, we will be implementing KNN Classifier in Python language. So let's get started. So I'm going to import all these libraries as usual. I have imported pandas, I have imported numpy, I have imported kneighbors classifier from sklearn.neighbors, and I have regular evaluation metrics for classifier like confusion matrix, accuracy score, and Jaccard score. Then I have imported train test split, and I have imported datasets from scikit-learn. So we are going to import the breast cancer dataset for KNN classifier, which we have used in dysentery classifier as well. So I'm going to load the dataset from scikit-learn. Here I have used the same mean radius and worst radius as feature variables, and the target variable is breast cancer.target, which will tell us whether the particular cell is benign or malignant one. So let us split our data as train and test split as we do. So let's train our model. Here I have mentioned the number of neighbors as 5 and with the metric as Euclidean. This 5 is just completely random, just some initial value, and I have mentioned the distance metric as Euclidean. So now we have trained our model. So let's predict something. Let's evaluate the accuracy now. So we have computed Jaccard score and accuracy score. Now let us plot the confusion matrix. So we are having true positive as 35, false positive as 7, true negative as 70, and false negative as 2. So our model is doing a good job. So let us go through the various values of k and check the accuracy score for each value of k. So I'm going to loop through k. So yes, we have gone through the k value from 1 to 7, and we have evaluated the model for each k value. So for k value is 1, we have the accuracy score of 85% and Jaccard score of 79%. And for k value is 2, we have 86% of accuracy and 81% of Jaccard score. And for k value 3, we have 90% of accuracy and 86% of Jaccard score. So as we can see, the accuracy has kept on increasing, and it has reached the peak at k value is 4 and k value is 5. The Jaccard score is at maximum when the k value is 5. It is 88.6%. And when k value is 6, as you can see, the Jaccard score is starting to decrease. So it has gone to 88.4 now. And then when k value is 7, the accuracy is reduced to 90% from 92%. And then the Jaccard score has become 86%. So ideally the model performs well for the k value of 5. So this is how we choose the k value for KNN classifier. So we have implemented the KNN classifier in Python language, and we have evaluated the performance of KNN classifier for various k values. So that's it for today, and in the next video we'll be discussing about k-means clustering, and until then, see you, have a great day.